The Hollon Safe HS-610E is the #1 premium office safe and available with a top-of-the-line electronic locking system. Quality design that includes everything you could want in an office safe. The HS-610E has a fire protection of up to 120 minutes and is rated for up to 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit and tested and rated for a 30-foot impact to ensure durability in design, matched with a spacious inside and maximum security that includes a 3-way locking bolt system that automatically locks when closed and comes with a CE-rated electronic lock that is both elegant in design and user-friendly. The HS-610E locking system is designed for up to 4 users and includes an Audit trail for monitoring use. To ensure security, the Hollon HS-610E comes with an anchor bolt for bolting to the floor. The design includes a recessed curvature providing a nearly airtight seal. This prevents smoke and water damage in case of fire. The HS-610E also comes with a 1-year warranty. Included, for ease of access, is the interior pull-out drawer for organization and adjustable interior shelving for a complete functional design to meet all your organizational needs. The Hollon HS-610E is the premium choice in office safes. Visit us online today at hollonsafe.com for more information.